Welcome to John's Science Corner. I'm John Drebinger, and today we're going to do an experiment that will test whether or not the hand sanitizer companies are saying the truth when they say kills 99.9% of bacteria. We're also going to see if Mom was right when she said make sure to wash your hands with lots of soap and water. So let's go to the experiment and see how it's going. Here are our sanitization products. As you can see, we have Ivory soap, Purell hand sanitizer, and 2 alcohol contents, and a liquid antibacterial soap. Welcome to the amazing garage of science. Believe it or not, all of these tools have some scientific purpose. Just kidding. They're absolutely irrelevant to the experiment, but my mom wouldn't let me play with horse poop inside the house. So, I'm forced to be in the garage. Now we're going to apply our horse poop agar mix over some of the agar plates in our direct contact portion of the experiment. So we're going to go ahead and uncap the agar plates. If they'll uncap, they're locked. Alright, and we have all our agar plates correctly labeled so that we won't forget what our results really are. So here we have a lovely sampling of agar, sheep's blood, and horse poop. My favorite. This soap is a liquid soap, and we're going to place it on one of the samples. It has a mild antibacterial quality, so we're going to see how effective that antibacterial quality is just sitting in the plate, not actually using the soap as a washing agent on someone's hands. And so now we will move on to our next product, which happens to be the Purell with the 65% concentration of ethyl alcohol. Now this is also a foam, so we've taken it and mixed it with a little bit of water just to make it a little bit more spreadable. And so you're about to witness the spreading of the Purell throughout our sample. Now because this Purell is more in a gel form, we're just going to apply it directly. It'll be much simpler. Alright. Kind of make sure not touch the eyes when you're working with horse poop and sheep's blood. And here we go. So there's a sample of the Purell. And this Purell is a gel form that is 62% ethyl alcohol concentration. So it's a slightly different concentration than the Purell foam. Alright, well here comes the part of the experiment that I'm looking forward to the least. This is where I actually get some horse poop on my hands and rub it in so that they get dirty, so then we can wash them afterwards. Now I don't suggest doing this at home. It's a very controlled environment. I've got lots of sanitization products. I've got good old soap and water, and I've got all our sanitary products. Don't try it at home because horse poop is full of gross bacteria that you really don't want getting in your system. Alright, well here it goes. So gross. Alright, there you have it. Good pair of infected hands ready to be cleaned. Let's put those sanitizers to the test. Alright, so I have here with me Science Assistant Amanda with her wonderful science hose and our liquid antibacterial soap. So what we're going to do is I'm going to use the prescribed 15 to 20 seconds hand washing with typical hand washing methods with this liquid soap. Alright, so first I'm going to get my hands wet. Amanda, soap please. You need one good squirt. Alright. Amanda, go ahead and wash my hands. Now at this point, I'm going to place my hands on the petri dish and actually touch the agar. This is where if any bacteria is left on my hands after washing them, it will be transferred onto the agar plate and we will see it grow in a few days. Alright, now I have placed my fingers around most of the plate, so we'll see if any bacteria grows from this portion of the experiment.